Good evening to all of you. It is a great pleasure to participate of this prestigious conference and also to present to all of you some features about this modest poster, whose title is Coherent States of an Electron in Aharonov-Bohm field. First of all, it is convenient to show the classical description of a spinless charged particle moving under influence of a superposition of an infinitely thin and long solenoid and a constant uniform magnetic field. It is possible to construct the conserved dimensionless complex quantity represented by equation 4. Then the classical trajectories can be represented as expression 5. For the case of stationary quantity states, we present the eigenfunctions in the form of a complete orthonormalized set of stationary states by expression 9. Expression 9. After several detailed mathematical treatments, we have expression 10. How about the construction of coherent states? When the Aharonov-Bohm effect is absent, we can construct the coherent state which is given by expression 7. Expression 17. In order to describe the possible influence of Aharonov-Bohm effect on the average values of electron trajectory, we ought to define the quasi-coherent states in expression 18 with coefficients in expression 19, and we obtain the expectation values of Hamiltonian operator and the Radi operator. I am grateful for your attention.
Thank you very much.